How's everyone doing tonight? Let me go through welcome everyone and we'll get started. Up here to the beginning, Susan first. Good to meet Susan. Hi to Nick and Kevin. The first thing you should know is from the bottom they're numbered 1, 3, 2, 4, and that makes absolutely no sense until you realize that remember, it's called the Duo 2, but there are 4 outputs. So just think of it, this is why it's called the Duo, is because there's 2 of them, and it's set 1 and set 2, and when you split them up, well, this one is already 2, so we call that one 3, and then the only number left is 4, so that's why this one is 4. So that's why it's 1, 3, 2, 4, as opposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the way you would think it would be. So that's what you can see how it can get confusing real quick, because the numbers seem to change based on what you're doing. So this one says 3, but when I click on the connectors here, I have a choice for 2. Huh? Yeah, very confusing. So with the single H with it crossed out or the double H with it crossed out, double H with it crossed out means when it gets down to less than 10 hours, so 09 hours, it's going to show up as 09 hours. What I do at my own church is I'll set that up so that if I'm away from the computer, someone distracts me, etc., then the countdown video, which I have it set for a video, the countdown video starts at the precise time. So notice that this looks a lot like a web URL. That's how I think of it, is this is like a special web address that controls ProPresenter. Okay, well, it's 9 o'clock, everyone. Great class today. I thoroughly enjoyed the questions that you all had. It always brightens my day when we get the questions. I come here with a couple of ideas about things that I can talk about if there are no questions, but it seems like you guys always help me out with that. So thank you very much for having those. Okay. Thanks a ton, everyone, and I will get this recording uploaded and put into the replay as soon as possible. Okay, thanks, everyone. Bye.